depending on the customer needs, we can offer different solutions. The best example is the capability and the will to regrind. A solid carbide drill, has the best economity when you offer regrinds. So you need to have the skilled personnel on the shop floor to decide if the drill is worn out or not, if you can use it on or not.
I'm joined by Graham, the Managing Director of Vargus UK. Graham, and we've got a Challenge Vargus competition. Tell us more.
Yep, so this year, up until the 30th of May, we're going to be running the Challenge Vargus, where we want customers who are using competitor products to challenge us to improve their process, improve their costs and add value at their spindle.
Zeiss are known predominantly for accuracy with minimal uncertainty, but actually what we offer from here is measurement services as well. And I think we've got a variety of machinery from all around the world that we've brought all into one place here at our Rugby facility. And what we can do, and what I genuinely believe we can get for you today, is we can look at our CMM, at our Metrotom and our SEM to try and give you a real good overview of what is happening with this part.
We're focusing on the multitasking lathes, anything from twin turret up to triple turret. We've seen a huge rise in requirements for this type of machines due to the pandemic that we've gone through. I don't want to keep talking about the dreaded COVID, but obviously companies have seen loss of operators, which builds into this type of machine.
Apsley Engineering. They have got previous with Citizen Miyano. When I say previous, one of the older machines?
Yeah, well, we've got 4 machines in total now.
So the older machine, why did you like that so much?
Well, it's just very productive, very reliable and very robust.
On that basis then, I presume it's still going strong?
It is, yeah, it's still going today, in fact running at the moment.
This is a sort of, straight replacement of that one?
Well, it's an upgrade really. Extra turret and extra live tooling on that turret and a Y-axis.
Right, so when you say extra turret, so 2 turrets, 2 spindles?
Correct. Driven tooling on both turrets and a Y-axis on the main turret.
A lot of shared values that I've got with Whitehouse Machine Tools. It's a company that I've been close to for a long period in my machine tool sales career. And I've always worked on the basis of support and doing the right thing by the customer.
Now I'm here at Rubitec Engineering in Hull. They've recently purchased this MP20 Victor lathe from CNC. Now I was really impressed with some of the points that Andy was making about the machine and what it's actually machining.
Mark, I'm glad you said that, because this is a little bit different from the norm. This is something that we're embracing. BRAFE came to us in March of this year, just as we were going into lockdown, and they had a component they needed to machine. They came to us and some other people as well, and they tasked us with machining the part for them.
When the MD saw what we were doing and how quickly we were doing it, it was a no-brainer. The return on investment, it was instant.
I mean, yeah, I've been down and had a look at that component. It's really impressive. There's kind of quite complex milling but turning as well on there. It's a cracking component.
I was walking around with the shop with Chris, I think a few weeks ago, and you were looking at other jobs, weren't we?
Yeah. There is nearly every product that now comes down to the shop. They say, "Oh, could that go on the GROB? Could that do this?" And yes, it can, but we've got to be sensible and reasonable at this time. We've only got one.
That could change.
There's also 35 other people in there that want some work to do, so we can't all just put it through one machine.